So I'm sitting here getting ready to upload today's vlog, and I just wanted to let you guys know that first you're about to see my 2021 recap, which is by far one of the best years I've had in a while. So I am happy to share my 2021 recap, happy to share my New Year's Eve vlog with you guys, and Happy New Year once again. And I hope this year is very prosperous for you guys, and I wish nothing but blessings and success for you all. So let's hop into today's vlog, and I hope you love this recap. kiss. Hi you guys, and welcome back to Janine's Journey. So by the time you guys see this, happy new year. It is now currently 2022, and I hope that this year is a wonderful one for you as 2021 was for me last year. Oh my gosh, this was a really incredible and life-changing year for me. Disregard my hair actually. All right, change of plans bun it is. I thought I could have a cute little braid out, but my hair is just way too dry for that. But anyways, before it gets loud and crazy in here, because Griff is on his way with the kids and his sister, then Naya and Gavin upstairs, and our mom, she went to the store real quick and she'll be back soon. Anyway, so we're getting ready to have family dinner, and then we are about to have the best fireworks show ever. I love fireworks. If you guys do not know that, you know that now. I love fireworks. So we're gonna just have fun, hanging with family. It's the second time that I've seen Griff's sister. I love Darcy so much, so I can't wait to see her. We saw her back in June, you guys. Now link that those family vacation vlogs up above here, where we drove halfway across country to Missouri, and we went to Texas to visit her, and then she's here, and so she's visiting us, so we're gonna just have some fun while she's here. So if you're interested to see what type of New Year's Eve and pre-New Year's Eve celebrations we're getting into, just stay tuned. Bye. What did you just say?
Janine's Journey.
And this one was your favorite vlog?
Yeah.
Gavin's just said that this was his favorite vlog, and I'll link it up above. It's the Jurassic Quest.
Yeah.
Griff went absolutely zonkers. Like, cray.
Just for you. Gotta have a Wawa.
I don't know what she doing. Say hey, baby girl.
Hey.
Why don't you?
Hey, come on.
What you try? We don't go to the hospital after work.
Okay, we know how to do that now.
You put them in.
Let me go get a bottle.
Oh yeah, those are bottle rockets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that.
You're trying to kill yourself. Burn your fingers off.
Ah, I got it.
Get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code?
And back. And when I
watch.
run, right? Remember that?
Yeah.
When Gotti run, you what?
More.
Come by. Yeah, thank you.
This is so much harder to use.
We'll go get the.
Gavin!
Love it one-sided. It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake?
I can't push it back in. It looks like it should go right back.
Oh, that. Oh.
Look at this thing.
Feelings going through changes. I'm just so mad right now. I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it.
T.
I'm sorry.
Get it, hey, whoa, yay, get it. Yeah, he wants to see the big stuff too.
I don't know tomorrow. I don't know if I trust you right now. Yeah.
I'm joking. Here.
Before we cross the line, line, and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind.
Okay, not bad.
The big ones will.
Here, try one of these. Here, so everybody be satisfied.
Try one.
I think everybody will like that one.
Even the little kids, it's like, okay. You see, that one ain't make no noise.
It's supposed to be, they supposed to light it, and that's where you get your fun out of it.
Oh shit! And it's still going. They just gonna keep going. They gonna keep driving back.
Why you ain't light it in the driveway? At the end.
You know what? Like your daughter. Yeah, we need the flashlight. That was a good idea, babe.
That was a good one.
That was a square one.
That was a square one?
Yeah.
Alright, that was a good one.
Going through changes, I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it.
Tell your mama from Baltimore. She been living in Baltimore for a while.
Why you say that?
She out there on the front line.
Knowing you won't read it before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line, and we reach a point we can't reach.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Oh, it was 3 of them?
It was 3 of the 4. You lit it, so you take responsibility for it.
Look, look.
It fell over. It fell. It fell over.
I didn't make it fall over. It was standing up when I left. Get out the house and retirement. You know, something new.
Sometimes I wish you knew.
Well, they were
Hey, you ain't supposed to run. You supposed to walk back.
Your neighbor's gonna kill you.
That ain't shit.
Boom, Dr. J.
You ain't got no skills.
She got her mama skills. I taught you well, girl.
Maybe I need some space. Read it and delete it. Maybe I need some space. Need somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Read it and delete it.
Oh, good job. Happy News, everybody! I got you.
Tomorrow, go get a garbage bag.
Take it down. Don't you love when I come? Well, your spotlight, Mom.
Spotlight and my microphone.
Who would have thought I'd get you? All right, you guys, this is the project for today, the 31st, so that I can get ready for tonight. Let's see how this goes. If it goes good, drop a comment and tell me if you want a tutorial. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Oh, and by the way, happy New Year's Eve and happy Friday. See you later. All right, it's time to sit in the dryer for 2, maybe 3 hours. Hopefully just 2.
I'm not what you feel. Sexy for the jack. Yeah. The sun is going down now.
The vlog. Anyway, this is, isn't this beautiful? She's gonna teach us how to make one for Valentine's Day, a mini one. I mean, I guess it's easy. It's all about how you would want to place it on there, but she's gonna do one for us anyway because I want a demonstration. I'm about to tear this down all day long. And yes, this is how I look in my bonnet. Anyways, good morning. Happy New Year. Happy January 1st, 2022. My hair from last night is, it was so foggy and humid last night. You can literally see the mist in front of the headlights. And if you're a natural hair girl, you know nothing with moisture mixed with natural hair. And so yep, I'm left with this big fro that's under this bonnet. Anyway, I will come back. Not really doing anything today besides budgeting and editing my new budget book that I know it's supposed to go live 2 days ago, but my bad. I am hoping to have it live for you guys tonight on the 1st. That way you can start your first of the year off right. But yes, I definitely want to be more in charge of my finances this year, staying financially fit, financially sane, and knowing and understanding what is coming out of each paycheck, and also building my savings. I'm not sure I'm gonna put them here 5,000 or the 10,000 52-week savings plan, but I am planning on doing one of these two here. Just wanted to give you an idea on maybe something you can do. Definitely based whatever your savings plan you want to do, based upon your salary and what you have going on in your life, of course. So that's actually exactly what I'm sitting here doing. So I have doing my debt snapshot, and I'm gonna be next doing my debt repayment tracker so that I can pay off some of my debts that I have here. So using my Credit Karma app, and no, this is not sponsored, not yet at least, but using my Credit Karma app to look at current debts that I have, and actually going into the computer to make sure what they have is correct, putting it here. Then a column that has like your credit tracker as well. I showed you guys that in the net worth tracker, but I showed you this in the planner video, which is, by the time you see this, going to be up, promise. And I will have a discount code below in this video. Bye. Oh, and I did want to show you guys that I got these, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, Friction is probably what it is, Friction by Pilot. These are erasable pens. I love these pens, actually. I love them, love them, love them, and they actually erase pretty well. Of course, make sure you're not writing extremely hard, but yep, I'm using these pens for my planner. Hi you guys, and happy Saturday. It's been like a week or two after, I think the last time, not a week or two, but definitely a week after the last time I saw you guys. Today is January 8th, and me and mom are actually headed out to a place called Armature Works, which is this really nice like little upscale, I don't want to call it a dining hall, but it has like these different restaurants that you can eat into that I'm pretty sure you've all probably seen in your cities. But anyway, we're going to this place where I'm actually going to pop up on my friend Sarah, who I used to work with, my twin, even though she's nowhere near my twin, but we call each other twin because when we worked together, we did a lot of things very similarly and had a lot of the same attitudes and mindset, you know, while we were working as nurses together. So yes, I'm going to pop up on her and surprise her for her birthday. Her birthday is actually, yes, today is actually her birthday, January. So today's her actual birthday, so I'm going to pop up on her the night with her. Plus I had already told mom that we were either going to go to Armature Works for her for sushi either yesterday or today, so it works out perfect that we're going today. Anyway, I'm pumping gas. I'm headed home. Just got my car service today. Make sure you keep on your car service. Just got my car service, headed home, change, pick up mom because it's now getting cooler, and I'll see you guys at Armature Works. Say hey mom. Hey mom. And I wonder why we're still in the pandemic.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it. drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it.
I'm the worst vlogger ever.
No, it's me.
It's not for me.
It's actually me.
You just learned. She did perfect.
It's actually me.
I'm working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream.
Yeah.
No. LA's not right there, is it?
Yeah, that's what we ballet.
That's where we came in at.
Hey. They got a DJ and armature. Hey. Flip it down.
Look.
So you
No, not that way.
Yeah, it's that
Oh
way.
my God.
Cut down people's heads.
It is not a camera. I mean a phone. Yeah, you get over there.
Dream, dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream.
Did you guys love that recap? Did you love today's vlog? I hope you did. Make sure you leave me your favorite vlog from last year in the comment section below. But anyways, thank you guys for watching Journey's Journey. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave any comments you have down below. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you tell a friend. Woo!